Hello everyone. Today we are going to write our first simple program using Java. In Java, I am going to use Notepad++ for writing code. And if you are new to coding, make sure you write code with your own hands. If you would really want to learn coding, use Notepad or something like that. If when you become experienced in coding, you can use whatever you want to write codes. Okay, simply we are going to write code by making a simple class. Okay, class, make sure your class name word would be capital. First word would be capital, simple, and write code in a sequence. Public static void main, the string s would be capital, argues system out print line. We are going to print hello world. We will run and compile this program in our CMD. Close the brackets and save the program. I am going to save this file in our desktop. Simple Java source file. Okay, now our file has been created successfully, and I am going to launch CMD Windows+R. To run this, see this is our path, which is not correct. I am going to type cd desktop. Okay, desktop has been added. I am going to write java c, file name simple dot extension java. Okay, one expected error. Okay, I am going to correct this. I also installed Visual C++ because I have experience. Save, Control S, and I am going to type again java c simple dot java. Okay, compilation completed and no error found. I am going to run this program java simple. Okay, our program has been executed successfully. Our CMD printed hello world. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We will meet in the next video. See you later.